Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn Module 6th of Semester 4 Information Transfer and Interpretation of Data. Here, again, like the last module, that is the e communication, you are going to develop your writing skill. Here, how you are going to transfer information. See the introductory part. In human communication, information is shared within two persons, a group of people, or large number of people. In this communication process, the information is presented either in oral or written form. The information is written form can be presented in verbal and non-verbal way. The verbal way of presenting information is a prose narrative. On the other hand, the non-verbal way of presenting information is done through the use of a variety of diagrammatic or semi-diagrammatic forms. It includes the use of various graphic representations. See, here you can understand this communication process is how related to the information which can be related to the written or oral way. Verbal way of presenting information is a prose narrative, and the non-verbal way of presenting information is done through the use of variety of diagrammatic or semi-diagrammatic forms. In that way, you are going to learn this particular module of information transfer and interpretation of data. First of all, you are going to learn how you are going to transfer the information from one way to one type to another type, that is from table to paragraph or paragraph to table. Here is example in your textbook is about table diagram. First of all, you must know what is the meaning of information transfer. Information transfer is a process of transferring the information from its verbal form to a visual, non-verbal or vice versa without changing the content. Remember that here you are not going to change the content. You have to only change the process of the particular process of information transfer, that is information from its verbal form to a visual form or non-verbal or vice versa without changing the content. It is an interchange of information from prose to graphical representation. For transferring the collected data from verbal to visual, you need variety of graphs, diagrams, tables, charts, pictures, maps, symbols, etc. See, in this particular module, you are going to learn and you are going to understand about the how visual presentation is important one and how it is a brief one. You are going to transfer one paragraph into the table, or you are going to transfer any table into the paragraph writing. This is the way of presentation of information transfer. Here the information transfer is used for the following processes. Which are the processes? To narrate a process, event, or a theory, to enumerate and classify the information, to compare and contrast the collected information, to describe the process, to generalize from the numerical data. Here, generalization is the important one. How you are going to write down the generalization sentences, and enumerate and classify the information. Again, narration of the process or the description of the process, or write down the information in the comparative way or with the help of the sentences of the contrast as well. There are different types of graphic representation in which the collected information is transferred from prose narratives. They are table, diagram, tree diagram, flow chart, pie diagram, bar diagram, and line paragraph. Information represented in graphic forms is visually appealing. It simplifies the complex information. It makes you possible to quickly make comparison and identify trends. Here you can understand how the table diagram, tree diagram is a forms of graphic forms and which are visually appealing, and you can understand the information in graphic representation quickly, or it simplifies the complex information and you can compare and contrast easily. Here, example of table diagram in your textbook. Table diagram is one of the simplest forms of graphic representation of data. In table diagram, facts and figures are arranged in columns and rows. See, for example, the following narrative and tabular representation of the same information. Here is the information that is survey was conducted regarding the distribution of world population, and here is a information in paragraph, that is the survey was conducted regarding the distribution of world population in the year 2010. Here is a paragraph about the survey of distribution of the world population. See, according this survey, China has the highest population with 1341 million people, and India remains the second highest countries in the world with 10.20 million. Other countries with higher population are USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Russian Federation, and Japan. See, here the figures is given in the bracket. After every decade, there is a change in the world population. According to this survey, the decadal change registered in the growth of population is, again, there is how it is registered. Decadal change is given in the growth of population of China, India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Russian Federation, and Japan in percentage. So this paragraph converted into the paragraph C, how it is written in the table. So it is an important one, how you are going to learn the information transfer. You are going to transfer information to the visual presentation. This table is a visual presentation of this particular paragraph. Here you can understand how the information is transferred. When you compare two types of representation, that is narrative and tabular, here one is narrative and another is tabular, you will find that the tabular representation of data is easier to grasp at a quick glance. So you can understand how tabular form is easy one, and you can understand and grasp it easily. So, and one of the most important part is that you are going to learn it, and you are going to learn how to convert the data or the information into the tabular form or the tree diagram or the pie chart or the flow chart. So, and again, how if you are going to convert the tabular to the paragraph form, narrative prose, you have to write down the sentences of compare and contrast. In the next lecture, we will learn about the interpretation of data. Till then, stay home, stay safe.